Hello everyone. We will continue our chapter percentage and its application, and today our topic is profit and loss. See, profit and loss. When a shopkeeper buys anything, जब भी कोई shopkeeper कोई चीज़ खरीदता है, buy करता है, then it is called cost price for the shopkeeper. When a shopkeeper buys anything, then this is called the cost price. Or if he sell anything to the customer, then this is called the selling price. You always do purchase something from the shopkeeper. There is a relation between shopkeeper and customer. So now today we will calculate how to find out the gain, loss, cost price, selling price in this field. Cost price and selling price. Now see, what is about the gain? When a shopkeeper finds the gain in his product, then in this product gain, obviously when selling price is greater than from the cost price, then he will get the gain. Selling price greater than cost price, then he will find out the gain. So how to calculate the gain? Gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. How to find out the gain? Gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. Now, if cost price is greater than from the selling price, it means उसने खरीदा तो ज़्यादा में, but जो सेल किया है वो कम में किया है, तो obviously he get the loss sale. And in the loss we find out by cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. Suppose we want to purchase a AC. हम कुछ परचेज करना चाहते हैं तो उसकी जो कॉस्ट होगी वो हमारे लिए क्या होगी? कॉस्ट प्राइस. और हम उसी चीज को अगर आगे सेल करना चाहते हैं तो दैट बिकम्स अ सेलिंग प्राइस फॉर अस. ओके, व्हेनेवर वी आर परचेजिंग समथिंग, जब भी हम कुछ मार्केट से परचेज करते हैं, सपोज एसी परचेज कर रहे हैं, तो एसी परचेज करने के बाद में उसको घर तक पहुंचाने के लिए वी हैव टू गिव सम एक्स्ट्रा एक्सपेंसेस लाइक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन चार्ज, इंस्टॉलेशन चार्ज, वेजेस, these type of charge in this is called overhead, and this overhead charges always including in the cost price. It means at last हमें उसकी cost क्या रही? AC suppose तुमने परचेज किया 45,000 का. After this you give installation charge. ₹1,000. Transportation charge. ₹300. वेजेस, किसी को मजदूरी दी है उसको लाने के लिए, ₹200. देन व्हाट इज द CP, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द AC फॉर यू? तुम्हारे लिए वो AC कितने का पड़ा? नाउ इट इज नॉट द कॉस्ट 45,000 ओनली. वी हैव टू से that our cost price now 45,000 plus 1,000 plus 300 plus 200. It means 1,500 this overhead charges we will add in the cost price of AC. Then it become for us 46,500 rupees. So whenever we have the extra expenses on a particular thing, then we will add into the cost price. Okay, now see how to find out the gain percentage and loss percentage. Gain percentage is equal to gain divided by cost price multiply by 100. Loss percentage, loss divide by cost price multiply by 100. It means gain or loss percent is always calculated on the cost price. Now suppose CP is given to you and gain is given to you. We want to find out the SP, selling price. Then we have one direct formula also for this, that 100 plus gain divide by 100 multiply by CP. 100 plus gain divide by 100 multiply by CP. Or if loss is given to you, then 100 minus loss divide by 100 multiply by CP. Or if we want to find out the CP, in the CP it becomes SP multiply by 100 divided by 100 plus gain. Or in the case of loss, cost price is equal to selling price multiplied by 100 upon 100 minus loss. So this formula we can use directly. Now we will discuss some questions related to this concept. First question is, an article was bought. An article was bought for rupees 1500. For rupees 1500 and sold for rupees 3000. So find the gain and gain percent. Find the gain and gain percent. In this case, an article was bought for rupees 1500. It means bought means खरीदा गया. So what is the cost price of article? Cost price of article is equal to rupees 1500. Sold means selling price. Selling price of article is equal to rupees 3000. Now, what about the gain? Gain is equal to selling price minus cost price, that is 3000 minus 1500 become 1500. So, gain percentage. Gain percentage, gain divided by cost price multiply by 100. So, if you see, this is 100%. Or if I take here suppose 2000, that selling price is 2000, then it becomes 500. Then what is the gain? That becomes 1 by 3 into 100, 33 1 by 3%. So this time we find out the gain or gain percentage. If there is a loss, then we find out the loss and loss percentage. Now see the next question. A shopkeeper buys 300 bicycles at rupees 1500 per bicycle. He spends rupees 75 per bicycle on transportation. He also spends rupees 7,500 on advertising. Then he sells all the bicycles at rupees 1,700 per piece. Find his profit or loss. Also calculate it as a percentage. Also calculate it as a percentage. Shopkeeper buys 300 bicycle at rupees 1,500 per bicycle. It means cost price of 300 bicycles is equal to 1,500 multiply 300, that becomes 4,50,000 rupees. He also spends rupees 7,500 on advertising. It means overhead charges or advertisement charges rupees 7,500. Then total CP is equal to 4,50,000 plus rupees 7,500, that become 4,57,500 rupees. He sells all the bicycle at rupees 1,700 per piece. It means selling price of 300 bicycle is equal to 1,700 multiply 300. It becomes 5,10,000 rupees. Now see, your cost price is 4,57,500 rupees and selling price is 5,10,000 rupees. Then SP is greater than CP. It means he find out profit. Profit is equal to 5,10,000 multiply minus 4,57,500. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 5, 5, 4 minus 4, 0. It means profit is equal to 52,500. Wait. He spends rupees 75 per bicycle on transportation also. So there is a transportation charge also. So what is the transportation charge? In this question, transportation charge. $75 per bicycle. It means 75 multiplied by 300, 22,500 rupees. Now you find out your total CP, that becomes 4,50,000 plus 7,500 plus 22,500. So this becomes 500 plus 500, 1,000. This one 22 plus 7, 29 or to 30,000. Means it becomes 4,80,000. And SP becomes 300 multiplied by 70, 100, 5,10,000. So profit is equal to 5,10,000 multiply 4,80,000. It becomes 30,000 rupees. So there is profit percentage, profit 30,000. Cost price, which one cost price now we will take? Total cost price we will take here, 4,80,000 multiply by 100. 100 by 16, 50 by 8, 25 by 4. Then it becomes 61 by 4%. So this type we find out whenever there is a extra charges, overhead charges, then we will add with the given cost price. Then firstly we find out the total cost price, and profit percentage we will calculate on this total cost price. So this type we will solve these questions. Okay, one more example. If the CP of 10 articles, if the CP of 10 articles is equal to SP of 12 articles, find the gain or loss percent. If the CP of 10 article is equal to SP of 12 article, find the gain or loss. Firstly see what is given thing. CP of 10 articles is equal to SP of 12 articles. We can let CP always. So we let CP of one article is equal to rupees 1. Let, you can take 100, you can take 1, you can take X also, doesn't matter. Let CP of one article is equal to rupees 1. Then what is the CP of 10 articles? Rupees 10. Whenever we will compare or we want to find out the gain or loss, firstly find out the CP and SP of for the same amount or same number of things. So here see SP of 12 article, it means हमें CP भी पता होना चाहिए. CP of 12 article is equal to rupees 12. Now compare, what is the SP of 12 article? This is equal to CP of 10 article, that is equal to rupees 10. Now we will compare these two things. CP of 12 article rupees 12, SP of 12 article rupees 10. Then there is a gain or loss. CP 12, SP 10. Obviously there is a loss. Then loss is equal to CP minus SP. What is the CP? 12. And SP 10. Then it becomes rupees 2 loss. And loss percentage, loss divided by CP. CP how much for this? 12. Multiply by 100. It becomes 100 by 6, 50 by 3, 16, 2 by 3 percentage. So this type we will calculate, or these type of question, whenever we do these type of question, firstly we find out the CP and SP for the same number of things, same amount of things. Then we will find out our loss or gain, and then after gain percentage or loss percentage. Okay student, another examples we will discuss in the next lecture. Now you start your exercise 8C. Try to do these questions. Thank you.